teacher, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you a story entitled The Lion and the Mosquito. Once upon a time, a lion was dozing in the sunshine. A tiny mosquito came by and began to buzz around his nose. "Go away," mumbled the lion sleepily. He tried to swat the mosquito, but ended up hitting his own nose. "Ha!" said the mosquito. "You may be the king of the beasts, but I can fly wherever I like." Upon saying this, it nipped the lion's ear. The lion slapped his ear and the mosquito flew away. Pleased at his cleverness, it flew into the lion's nose. While it reached, the lion leaped up on his back legs and began hitting his nose. Finally, his eyes streaming, the poor beast gave a huge sneeze. Achoo! The mosquito came tumbling out and started shot from a cannon. Not content with the trouble it had already caused, it whizzed around the lion's head. Buzz! Buzz! The lion was really very upset then. It raised his head and roared, "Leave me alone!" "Ha ha!" cried the mosquito. "That will show you how important I am." It then buzzed away, delighted at having made the lion dance about like a fool. Alas for the mosquito, it was so busy thinking of its victory that it flew straight into a spider web. Soon, it was turning and twisting, unable to escape the strong threads. The spider ran out from his hiding place to inspect its catch. What? If it isn't the famous mosquito, what an honor it will be to make a meal of you. So, remember friends, always stay humble, or it may be the end of you. Thank you.